Rivets and eyelets are designed to fit standard size holes. Now to do that, they need to be sized slightly less than the diameter of the hole. That's why this 1/16 diameter rivet measures just under 1/16 of an inch. The same is true for this 3/32 diameter rivet, for this 1/8 diameter rivet, and for this 3/16 diameter rivet. Remember, the size rivet you need is determined by the size of the hole you need to fill. So these are designed to go into standard size holes. Whether it's a 1/16 hole, a 3/32 hole, a 1/8 hole, or a sizable 3/16 diameter hole. What's the difference between an eyelet and a rivet? Well, this is a semi-tubular rivet with a tube on one end and a solid head on the other. Now here's an eyelet, same size and diameter, but the tube goes all the way through. And here's a smaller eyelet. Again, the hollow tube goes from end to end. Now here's a finished assembly that uses both rivets and eyelets. The solid heads on the rivets enable you to securely attach a component, while the eyelets give you a hole to work with. On the back are the flared ends that hold the rivets, along with the holes provided by the eyelets, which you can use to thread a wire, a cord, a chain, or whatever. So, how do you measure the length of a rivet or eyelet? Well, the length of a rivet is measured from just under the head down to the end, and an eyelet is measured the same way, from under the head to the end of the shaft. How do you determine the length of the rivet you'll need? Just figure out the total thickness of the parts you're going through. Half the diameter of the rivet should protrude. In this case, we're using a 1/16 rivet, so we want it to protrude 1/32 of an inch. For more information on Crafted Findings products, call toll-free or visit our website to locate an authorized reseller.